Hi, today I'll show you how I work on dynamic real-time hardware and in particular the technological part. So now we are building the sensor part and we are using RIOT-OS on an ESP32. So let's go. This is the page of ESP32 of RIOT-OS. We follow this tutorial in order to compile our RIOT-OS code on our device, and we can check on make flash. Now we are flashing our ESP32. So now I run the gateway, the transparent gateway, and the broker, and with ifconfig I found the init address of the broker, and with RIOT-OS now I can connect to the MQTT broker. So con my address and the port, and we can check that it is successfully connected to the gateway. So, and now we are publishing telemetry data to Google. So we publish telemetry from RIOT. This is the broker and we can check that it's published. And this is the transparent gateway and the message is published data to Google. And this is the first part about the sensor. Now we are developing a part using a grid array sensor, and that we are going to connect to an ESP32. Now let's focus on the progressive web app where artists can upload their artwork. We followed a tutorial on Google Cloud Platform, and in this case we have a compute engine function, and when on a specific bucket on cloud storage arrive an image, the compute engine automatically compute the image, modifying it and pushing it into another bucket. And in the museum part we have a simple Python script that fetch the output image from the second bucket. In this tutorial we have a sensitive recognition, and in particular if we found blood on the image, this compute engine function transforms the data applying the filter of blurring. Let's try our progressive web app. This is our simple web app, and we upload a test image. And now we go to Google Cloud Platform and we check the image. This is our image. Let's move to the second bucket that it is called processed artworks, and we can check that the image is blurred. Let's download and check. And this is the blurred image. Now we move on the script that automatically download the image from Google Cloud Storage. And this is the output, the same of previous. Thanks.